Hi, I'm here with another Sprezzabox. I didn't know if I was going to do one of these again, but they're still coming, so here we go. This one is called the Delta, as in Delta Airlines, the official sponsor of today's Sprezzabox unboxing. Okay, so this is my newest, just came a couple days ago. And let's see what we've got inside here. I bet you there's a tie and a tie clip and a pair of socks. How much you want to bet? What I tell you? A pair of Sprezza socks. Those are nice. A tie. Big surprise. Who's this one by? Also by Sprezza. Nice. And I'm seeing, you can see it's the Delta colors, right? Get it? Delta Airlines, Delta colors. And there's a little airplane tie clip. I have an airplane tie pin as well that came in one of the first Sprezza boxes. See, they're a little redundant. Although it's nice to know I've gotten all these new pairs of socks and ties. I just wish I had somewhere to wear a tie. Ooh, I'm having dinner tomorrow night. Maybe I can wear a tie tomorrow. And then I've got this little balm of some sort. What is this? I need my glasses. This is Brickell Reviving Day Serum. Fascinating. Another sample of some men's care product. And then there is from LSTN Sound Company, we have some earbuds, it looks like, in a nice little pouch. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yep, earbuds. I have so many of these now. Keep one in each of my bags. They're wooden. Oh, that's kind of cute. And then last but not least, and this is nice, and again, we have the Delta logo. We have a passport folder with the Delta logo on the bottom. Ta-da! I will use this, even though I don't fly Delta. So that's it. That's this month's Sprezzabox. I think this is the last one. I think this is 6 months now, and I only have a 6-month subscription. I will not be renewing it. It's nice, they're fun, but you know, I now have like 6 new ties, like 4 new pocket squares, 3 or 4 tie pins, and a lot of little samples of grooming products. It's kind of fun, and again, I've said this before, if we weren't in a pandemic and quarantining, it would be a lot more fun to have. Maybe next time we'll just explore the books on my shelves. As you can see, it's pretty much plays. And this is after I Marie Kondo'd my apartment. There used to be a lot more of this than there is now. But that's another time. We'll talk about that.